बरोबर 87. Good morning, students. Myself, I am Dr. S.P. Evle. Our topics of elements of group 16, 17, 18. That topic is going on. Previously, we learned so many topics of the chapter. Now, today, we are going to start compounds of sulfur. In that, sulfuric acid. How to prepare sulfuric acid? That we can do with the help of some steps are there. In that, step 1 is roasting of sulfur or sulfide ore. In this step 1, first reaction is of when sulfur solid taken with oxygen gas by heating will get sulfur dioxide gas, SO2 gas. In second stanza of this reaction, 4 molecules of FeS2 ferrous sulfide solid plus 11 molecules of oxygen gas by heating will get 2 molecules of ferric oxide Fe2O3 solid plus 8 molecules of sulfur dioxide gas. In step 2, we'll see oxidation of sulfuric acid or sulfur oxide. In that, 2 molecules of sulfur dioxide gas plus O2 gas in presence of vanadium pentoxide catalyst, it gives 2 molecules of sulfur trioxide SO3 gas. In this reaction, certain amount of the heat is liberated, so it is what exothermic type of reaction which is reversible, and the forward reaction leads to decrease in volume, therefore that can be performed at about 720 Kelvin and high pressure 2 bar are favorable conditions for preparation of maximum yield of the sulfur trioxide. Now this sulfur trioxide will utilize in step 3. In step 3, sulfur trioxide gas from catalytic converter that can be absorbed concentrate sulfuric acid and produce oleum and dilution of this oleum with this sulfur trioxide it gives sulfuric acid. Now see the reaction actually. When SO3 gas plus sulfuric acid it gives H2S2O7, it is oleum, and this oleum when reacts with water molecule, from that we can get 2 molecules of sulfuric acid. Students, in preparation of sulfuric acid we saw these 3 steps, step 1, 2 and 3 serially. Now I am going to show one video which can be shows the clear cut procedure for preparation of sulfuric acid by contact process. So let us see this video how to prepare sulfuric acid. Consider over here.
This animated video shows the process that how to make the sulfuric acid by contact process. Sulfuric acid is a strong acid that is highly corrosive and used for different applications in industries such as cleaning, chemicals, manufacturing, wastewater treatment and many other products. Chemically it is bonded with 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur, and 4 atoms of oxygen. Number 1 is to make sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is made by burning sulfur in excess of air and we get sulfur dioxide. Another way of getting sulfur dioxide is to heat sulfur or ferrous sulfide with excess of air and we get sulfur dioxide. In either case, an excess of air is used so that the sulfur dioxide produced is already mixed with oxygen for the next stage. Converting the sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide is next step, where sulfur dioxide is heated with oxygen to 400 to 450 degrees Celsius in the presence of a catalyst. This is a reversible reaction, and the formation of the sulfur trioxide takes place in the exothermic process, converting the sulfur trioxide into sulfuric acid. This cannot be done by simply adding water to the sulfur trioxide. the reaction is so uncontrollable that it creates a fog of sulfuric acid. Instead, the sulfur trioxide is first dissolved in concentrated sulfuric acid, and we get the product known as fuming sulfuric acid or oleum. The oleum then can be reacted safely with water to produce concentrated sulfuric acid, twice as much as you originally used to make the fuming sulfuric acid. In this way we get the final product.
Now students, we learn how to prepare sulfuric acid. In this animated video, you saw that one. In that, some points I want to clear. In that diagram, what the furnace you saw, that furnace means what? Big vessels or kettles which are used in the chemical industries and which has very high resistivity and capacity to prepare such type of concentrated chemicals. So by this process, we can prepare sulfuric acid. That animated video you saw, I think you are enjoyed that one. Later on, one flow sheet also I want to give. This flow sheet, in this flow sheet, here left side you can see the air, then sulfur deposited in that, and which can be passed in contact of the or in presence of the air O2, and by that we can get here water spray. By water spray we can utilize this one for washing and cooling water or tower is there. In that, in next vessel we'll see the concentrated sulfuric acid spray is there, and what is the waste acid that can be comes downside. Then here next tube is continued for passing of the dry SO3 and O2. By that we can get here the arsenic purifier which can be utilized over here, and the processor also there, and later on that solution can be processed for catalytic action in the catalytic converter with the help of vanadium pentoxide, and by that we will get SO3 gas which can be processed and utilized with the oleum and to prepare the concentrated sulfuric acid. Oleum that can be unreacted that we can get downside, and the sulfuric acid we can get in the quartz cylinder. Later on in next video we are going to see the physical properties of sulfuric acid. Till that time you have to take care of yourself. Thank you. God bless you.